Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and app state. Make sure you're logged into the correct Snapchat account and the app is updated. Once done, verify your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and enough storage space locally. Lack of space can block cloud sync. Next, open Snapchat and go straight to Settings, then Memories. This first step prevents wasted troubleshooting later and positions you to reset the cloud sync safely without losing data. Now you handle the middle, more technical steps. In Memories, toggle sync off and wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then toggle it back on to force a fresh sync handshake. While that runs, clear the Snapchat cache from Settings Account Actions, clear cache to remove corrupt temp files. Make sure your phone stays awake and connected to Wi-Fi so the app can reindex and upload without interruption. This root load is why patience here prevents partial or duplicated items. Finally, verify that your memories populate and check the recently deleted folder for recovered content. If syncing stalls after about 30 minutes, sign out and sign back in, and if that fails, reinstall the app to force a clean state. Make sure you've backed up any local-only snaps first. If problems persist, contact Snapchat support and provide device model, OS version, app version, and a brief timeline. This speeds diagnosis. One quick tip: try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.